This one here is for my future self. This is a journal to myself slash vlog. As you can see here, we are in this trade on a Monday morning on AVAX. And you can see currently up 10-4. That's a 1 to 5 RR trade. Let's see how it plays out. I shall update you guys. And I'm kind of just waiting for that claim of the lows. The lows look really good to claim. My stop loss was just under there, so I would have just got stopped out. If AVAX goes higher to my previous take profits, which were around here, then I'll be vexed. I'm joking, I won't be vexed. It's just part of the game. I'd rather wait for the lows to be swept and get acceptance back above for, you know, a higher probability trade. But until then, be chilling. Alright guys, taking a break from the charts, going to the gym now with the boys. Try to get some clips, but yeah man, I just wanted to say that it's always good to make sure you find things to do outside of trading. Don't get me wrong, you want to show up every day, put the work in, put the hours in, but you know, if you've just come out of a trade, what are you gonna do? Look for another trade? You probably know that's not the best idea, so that's when you just, you know, go to the gym, do something productive, just sit with it. And yeah man, I ain't got really much else to say, to be honest. I just whipped out the camera, testing out this this new thing that I'm doing, which is, you know, YouTube and journaling. But yeah, the day in the life and that. Going to the gym right now. It's 5:30 p.m. I expect a lot of traffic. Hopefully not. Right now I have to go pick up my mate, and then pick up another mate. Fucking hell. And then we'll go to the gym. So yeah, I already fueled up on rice and minced beef. So should be a good session, really. Feeling a bit tired, but fuck it, innit? Who cares? No one cares if you're tired. No one cares. So you got my friend's feeling ill today. Managed to persuade him to come. Whoa, fuck you, dude. Managed to persuade him to come. This guy was like, he was like, oh nah, I'm feeling ill, I've got a headache and that. Your headache, yeah. I'm going to the flipping gym right now, so yeah, on my way to go get him. Peace out. Just got home. I haven't even been to the gym yet. I had to come home quick in between, but let me just show you the charts. So as you can see, I would have got stopped out. My stop loss was quite tight. I should have re-entered on the acceptance above, but I'm out, so I couldn't. Nor am I going to. But if I did enter under acceptance above the very low, the stop loss just below that, targeting the value area high, watch this play out. Yeah, that's the box. Let's see what happens. Just got to the gym now, getting this back session. That's the man them. But yeah man, I'm gonna update you guys when I get to the crib. See what happens. That trade I put on when I get this dirty back session. You already know how it is. As you can see guys, we are still in that trade. This is a setup I like to call the SVT P deviation. Basically, you get the session volume profile, you get them two blue lines there, and that red line. And then when price, I'll use the mouse, when price, well, as you can see, we're in this range, hits the high, hits the low, we get a deviation, meaning you get basically a fake out. Get the fake out, and then you get the acceptance back above. And not only that, you retest it, so it's basically an RS flip, resistance to support flip. And then you're looking for the top again. So this is the trade, still in it. Well, not in it, but you know what I mean. And let's see if we can hit full TP. I'll update you guys when we get there. As you can see here, price had a massive liquidity sweep, which is exactly what I needed to wait for before I enter a trade. Before I enter a high probable trade, I need to wait for a liquidity sweep. This wasn't really enough. This is more like it. It was quick, big, and we got acceptance back above, which is key. Now you would expect the price to, I would expect the price to hit the value area high, but let's see what happens tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? I just want to update you guys on this trade to wrap up the video. As you can see, we're on AVAX, and as you can see here, this was last night's price action, and this is where I got in on that trade and that acceptance, but then we got stopped out because there was another liquidity sweep. I don't normally trade AVAX. I've only just started doing it, so I need to get used to all this. But normally I trade Bitcoin anyway. We got that acceptance back above. But as you can see, if I can get rid of the SVP indicator, we got another deviation down to the bottom. This being the SFP line. Long entry is getting acceptance back above this line. Stop loss just below. And as you can see, price hit my previous full TP, which I had just gotten an alert for. So of course, price stops me out before it hits full TP. But moral of the story is you can't win them all. Excuse my bed. You can't win them all. And you just got to keep showing up, executing your strategy, because I know it works. As you can see, it kind of worked. I just got stopped out. My execution wasn't the best. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully there's way more to come. And yeah, have a good day.